Hello and welcome to this introductory case study in this course AI for Marketing and Advertising Excellence. So, here is the case study of using AI for becoming excellent in marketing and advertising. And it is a case study that will show you that how an individual can use AI to become excellent in marketing and advertising, right from strategy to execution to optimization, all the way, right? So let's take a look at this case study. So this case study is about, from a guesswork to precision, and where the person concerned, the name is, let's say, name mask and face mask is Lucas. And Lucas is an engineering graduate with no formal marketing education, like many of us. And his current role is that he is a junior marketing associate at a mid-sized consumer electronics company. But he wants to become an excellent marketer with marketing advertising specialization, especially in digital channels. But he faces certain challenges. Now, what are these challenges? He has not very significant creative skills. His creative skills are weak, and he has no experience in segmentation and targeting, not being from marketing background. And he's unable to interpret the analytics of the marketing and gets overwhelmed by multiple platforms. And the marketing decision as a result are based on intuition, not evidence. So those are the challenges that Lucas is facing. Now, Lucas obviously wants to move up from posting content to and hoping that it works, right? Based on the intuition to running data driven marketing and advertising using AI. So that is the situation. That is the case that we have. Let's dig a deep into the challenge. Now, the challenge specifically surfaced when a new product launch failed. Lucas was assigned to launch campaign for a new smart fitness band, right? But after 6 weeks, of the new campaign, low conversions on the website, high spend with poor return on ad spend, ROAS, and they were wrong audience who were interacting with ads. The people who were interacting with that was not the right target audience. And when the customer search or test search, the competitive products were dominating the result. And his manager said, your campaign shows effort, but not intelligence. It was very hard hitting feedback. You're working hard, but not smart. So that was the challenge for Lucas. So Lucas realized that he did not need more tools. He did not need more tools. He needed AI assisted marketing intelligence. So that was the challenge, as we can see here now. So what did Lucas do? He adopted the AI first marketer mindset. And what was that mindset? He changed his approach from what content should I make, which is what he used to do earlier, to what is audience truly seeking and what does AI know about them that I don't. So fundamental shift in giving what he has to what the audience is truly seeking and figuring out and giving them back there. And he built a step-by-step AI-assisted workflow called Insight with T silent, as you will see. INSIGHT silent. So that's what Lucas do, and that was the turning point. So the first part of this framework he did was to identify the consumer needs using AI. Now, using tools like ChatGPT, Google Trends, Answer the Public, etc., he extracted top pain points. Top pain points like which we found was like fatigue, sleep quality, weight gain, etc. And he identified the purchasing triggers like price sensitivity, battery life, accurate tracking, and found few micro segments like beginners, busy professionals, runners, women 25 to 40 wanting lifestyle change. And he learned that fitness bands were less about features and more about identity. It was really branding that matters really. And as he learned there, that people want a fitness band that makes them feel in control. And this made him change the entire messaging that he was doing. He learned what the consumers needed using AI. Second thing he did was he, with Meta Ads and AI, perform with Meta Ads AI and Google Performance Max, he created 6 audience clusters. We saw some of them earlier. We talked about some of them and used AI lookalike modeling to find high intent buyers, right? Lookalike modeling. And identified that working moms 25 to 30 had the highest conversion potential. So he narrowed down to the group target audience from the cluster that had the highest conversion potential. And he learned that while earlier he was targeting everyone, AI showed him, not to target everyone, to focus on people who have the highest potential. The third thing he did was he shaped the message with AI creative co-pilots. Having learned, what the need was and what who to target, he then shaped the messages. Using AI copy tools like what you see and image generators, he tested, 12 headline variations using AI-based prediction models, created three emotional hooks of reclaim your energy, track progress, not perfection, and your personal wellness champion. So he created these 3 emotional hooks and generated ad visuals tailored for each microsegment that he was targeting and used AI voiceover and editing for short ads. And what was the result? The AI relevance score shot up by 60%, not small, right? So change of message to the right target audience, which can fulfill a need, created that significant move in the ad relevance score. Then he implemented a multi-channel campaign with AI automation. He used AI-driven tools like HubSpot, Jasper, Canva, etc. to auto-schedule posts at high engagement times and create content which was adaptive for each platform. That was a lot of hard work. And for that, he used AI obviously and used AI to repurpose a single video so that his efforts were minimized into 5 reels, 3 banner ads, 2 landing page versions, and 1 email campaign. So with AI, he could repurpose a single video into different execution. And the result was a consistent brand experience across platform with 70% less effort. And why is consistency critical? Because that is what builds brand. The customer sees the same message across different places, and digital world they go across different platforms, don't they? Right. Then he used AI powered analytics, to do few things. He Google Analytics for predictive scoring, Meta for ad diagnostics, and smart bidding recommendations he used, and also use AI sentiment analysis of the comments. So he used just the performance using these AI analytics tools. And what did he find? He found that the click-through rate went up from 0.9% to 3.5%, almost like a threefold increase. Cost per click dropped from $1.1 to 0.45. Conversion rate, which was the key thing, went up from 1.8 to 5.2%, and return on ad spend went up from 1.2 to 3.9. And here we find that AI did not replace him, but amplified it, right? The sixth thing he did was to hone and refine using AI-led optimization tool. He built a weekly AI-driven optimization ritual, starting with feeding the campaign data into ChatGPT for pattern interpretation, then asking AI some intelligent questions like which creative perform best and why, which audience segment is showing emerging intent, and what messaging should I test next week. Right, all the key questions he asked them, and let AI simulate potential outcomes of targeting changes. Right, and then use generative AI to produce new versions of the winning ads. all the way AI, right? And applied AI-based budgets for reallocations on suggestions, right? And this made him, as a result, a precision marketer from a poster, right? So that's what he did as a last step. So what was the breakthrough moment in this 4x ROS turnaround? You know, Lucas noticed via, AI analytics that ads with energy improvement messaging work 3 times better. And users aged 28 to 35 spent the most time on the product page. And AI sentiment analysis showed customers wanted sleep insights, not steps tracking. And competitors' ads emphasize features, none touch the emotional well being. So that's what Lucas noticed via the AI analytics. Then Lucas rebuilt the campaign around emotional transformation on the theme of feel in control of your day again. And he launched AI personalized landing pages, recommended influencer partnership, and AI generated micro videos of the day in the life of the brand. And what happened there? Sales doubled in 6 weeks, ROS increased to 4x, and refund rates dropped 25%. And his manager said, which was the biggest thing that he could hear, your campaigns don't just reach people now, they move them, right? And Lucas obviously got promoted to AI marketing strategist. Right. So that was the breakthrough moment of 4x ROS turnaround. So what did Lucas learn and what could we all learn? We could see that, AI is just not a tool. It's a thinking partner. It reveals patterns, motivation, segments, and emotional triggers you cannot manually see. It's it's a superpower that has creativity. If you combine with AI, you can become a superpower by combining creativity with AI because AI accelerates ideation, messaging, and storytelling. It does it many times, many times faster than we can do it otherwise. And here you can generate precision that can beat the efforts because AI eliminates guesswork in targeting, copy, bidding, and optimization right through. And the best marketers use AI to understand people, not just to push the content. So let's take a look at the AI marketing excellence ladder at an individual level that opens up for all of us. You could start as an explorer where you create content and you basically need basic AI for copy and visuals. Then you start analyzing that, become analyzer to become a data-driven marketer using AI analytics and segmentation. Then you become an architect where you start strategizing the campaigns with AI backed multi-channel designs. Then you optimize those multi-channel design campaigns as a growth marketer, and you do experimentation supported by AI. And ultimately, you can become an AI marketing leader as a visionary by doing predictive, personalized, automated marketing. So, what is the final thing that we can say we learn in this lecture? See, marketing intelligence is no longer about who has the best ideas. It is about who uses AI to understand the customers best. And AI helps you and me as an individuals to craft sharper strategies, build more relevant ads, understand audience emotions, optimize campaigns continuously, and spot opportunities competitors might miss. And it turns you as a beginner into a high performance marketer. So it can do that, right? So what do we do next now? So we get on with taking a look at how to use AI for marketing and advertising excellence, and we take an overview of that. And then in the rest of the course, we will dig deep into each of those building blocks that we will see in the overview to see how can you use AI for marketing and advertising excellence. So thank you so much for watching this introductory case study. I hope you are continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.